dalawang babae.
It's mostly all about skin prep. So sobrang tagal. When I went to study in Korea, akala ko okay na yung mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes. No. 30 minutes tayo, ang sakit na ng likod ko. Ganun siya katagal.
Huge bottle that comes in a pump where you can just there, right?
And you hold, how do you usually hold your cotton pads?
If the base is already perfect, the makeup mas maganda yung pagkalaban.
And mas manipis yung makeup na ilalagay. So mas manipis yung makeup, less prone to taking.
And tipid. Tipid sa
Do the foundation first. Because the role of the foundation is to even out your skin tone. So whatever's left, whatever's still there na hindi na-cover ng foundation, you can use your concealer. So it's spot concealer. Nalulungan kayo mamaya when I show you the concealer brush. We're used to like dotting the concealers lang nila. So I'm gonna show you the thing. I don't do yung dots. Kasi sometimes when you do yung dot technique na yan, dotting technique na yan.
for layering the product. Okay, by the way, the product that we are using is the Mistine Pureness Soft Bright Liquid Foundation in the shade. Oh no, I can't find the shade. It's a very nice shade, you guys. If you want more,
We get the corrector and mix it with the concealer right away.
Galing.
Para hindi intense yung color kagad. And then we blend out, tapos pagdadasal na lang natin na tayong work sa under eyes natin, di ba? Here, ito yung gagayahin natin. So you start from outside going in. Hindi yung lalagay na natin. I mean, you have a lot of techniques, go for it. But here's another way of putting your concealer na hindi siya masyadong cakey. So kung ano yung color ng skin natin dito, yun yung gagayahin natin. So we start from here, go inward. And back in motion na ba? The way I also hold the brush like this, pansin niyo, ito lang yung gumagalaw. So wala siya masyadong pressure on the skin. It has to be the exact shade match.
by the way, if you guys have any questions, we have a Q&A portion later, so jot down all of your questions.
Okay. So may konting blemish dito. Redness si aking model sa Pia. So kung ganyan kaliit yung blemish, dapat ganito kaliit yun. Concealer brush. You know how we edit? Ganito kaliit lang yung blush. Sometimes kasi, ganito yung blush powder natin. Buong mukha na natin yung mapula. Dami nag-a-agree. So yung
So itong blush natin, is it a powder blush or a cream blush? It's a powder blush from Mistine. Ang ganda niya.
Meron siyang kasamang contour powder.
Ooh, okay. So bagay na siya for morena skin, light, fair skin.
And you have to have two measuring tools. One here, so may ilar, so may butas ng ilong. And one here. Outer corner ng lips, crossing that measuring tool, and outer corner ng mata. There.
Mathematics pala to. Okay, ayan, sige guys, picturean nyo para malaman nyo pag uwi ng bahay. Okay, pictures 1, 2, 3. Okay yan. Okay, next.
So kung saan nag-intersect yung dalawang measuring tool, dyan nyo ilalagay yung first touch ng blush. Small. Okay. The powder. Wala akong lenses. Pat lang. You don't buff it na. Kasi if you buff it, masisira yung foundation na pinaghirapan ng gagawin. Diba? See? That's your under eye area. And what I do, I usually do the sandwich technique. Okay, that's the first layer. Setting mist. Okay, hold your breath. While it's still damp,
Ang galing.
powder again. Masyado marami.
Ang galing.
Rest of your makeup, it doesn't match. Ang mangyayari, your face is gonna look on cam. Pag tinignan ka, nandito na lang siya. Kasi yung line of sight nung kakakita sa'yo, nagsa-start sa kilay. So, lumiliit yung mukha mo. That's why, sa Korean style, they like using lighter brows or they like bleaching their brows.
Ayan. So for the no makeup look, hairspray, crystal maker from
Siyempre.
Wave Made.
Kukumpletuhin natin
Oo,
para.
huwag ka mag-alala.
Isa lang yung cute, hindi pwede yun. If you want to try this exotic technique, squint. And then you apply it here. Pero, para sa ating Pinoy, medyo masyadong malaki pag squint tayo. So, very slight,
Kalahati lang.
oo, slight yung, what's this, arch of your brows. And then siya. Okay? Kung ano yung nasa labas ng parallel lines, imaginary parallel lines yun, doon kayo maglalagay ng contour powder. Okay? You leave it right here. Para pag tinignan ka, yung kulay nandito lang. Tapos hindi mo na napapansin yung gilid. So that's another way of contouring. But contour powders should be at least 2 to 3 shades darker lang. Kasi sanay tayo ng 4 shades. Or minsan iba gray talaga, black. Diba? May ganon. So, kalmahan lang natin sa contour. It's 2 to 3 shades darker lang. Brick colored na mapula. Hindi yung orange. Kasi yung shadows, ano bang kulay ng shadow natin? Gray, dark. Wala namang shadow na bronze. Diba? So, if you're going to recreate a shadow, use this kind of color. Grayish. Grayish too. Tap off the excess. Sanay tayo pag nagko-contour, di ba simula dito? So, Korean style, we start, di ba may triangle yung ilong natin? Ito. You start here, going up. Hindi, ito, kasi sanay tayo eh, di ba minsan, liliit. Pag nakalimutan natin i-blend, may rayless na dito sa ilong natin. So, you start here, outside, and going up. This way, walang harsh line sa ilong mo. Pag tinignan,